If you love savory curry and crispy Chinese food, then this simple 20-minute Singaporean curry noodle recipe is worth trying. The first bite will transport you to Singapore. Cutting and prepping your veggies at the beginning of this recipe is what makes it go so fast. Pick whatever hearty veggies you like, but onions and cabbage are almost a must. The heartier the veggie, the crispier it'll stay. Green onions for garnish. Personally, I love using fresh noodles. They have a great chewy texture and they cook so much faster. To make the sauce for this recipe, we're going to use some light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, a little bit of sugar, curry powder, and chicken bouillon. It takes a hot second to get all these ingredients to mix together, but stick with it. Once your water starts boiling, it's time to drop your fresh noodles in for about 2 minutes, then drain and set them aside. Okay, this recipe goes really quickly, but there are 3 different parts. We cook the eggs first, then the chicken, and then all the vegetables, and we pull it all together. So we're going to start off by heating up the wok and adding a little bit of oil and then whisking the eggs and throwing them in. For this particular recipe, it's best to use mud rust curry powder. Now that the eggs are done, we're going to set them aside. The best part of this recipe is you can keep using the same wok. Now heat up your wok again and you're going to add a little bit more oil to cook the chicken. Add in the oil. Don't worry about the bits and pieces of the egg in there. It'll just cook through with the chicken. Add a little bit of salt, black pepper, and a little bit of curry powder right to the chicken. So as it cooks, it absorbs all of these flavors. If you're looking for quick and easy dinner ideas and recipes, hit that like button, subscribe button, and notification button so that every time I make one of these recipes, you're in on it. Your chicken should look like this when it's done. That's about 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, we're back to using the same wok again, and we're going to add a little bit of oil just to cook the veggies. Saute these for 3 to 5 minutes, then start adding the chicken, the noodles, and the egg. When your veggies look like this, time to add your noodles. Then your chicken and the eggs. Top it off with the sauce. This only takes about a minute or so, but when all the noodles turn that savory brown, they're well coated. Green onions go on right at the end. You could add additionally chili oil or sesame seeds as a topping. P.S. Just in case you don't finish all of this for dinner, it reheats like a gem.